Hi, my name is Jeff Hess. I'm the owner of Blue Stripe Mortgage. Okay, today I want to channel my best Vince Vaughn to talk about pre-approval. Hang on for just a second while I get into character. Okay, it's Sunday morning, about 10:30, just finished breakfast, maybe Portland Diner, maybe IHOP, maybe had the pancakes, maybe had the waffles, whatever. Hopefully you had the pancakes, trying to lose a little weight, you know, it's that time of the year. Anyway, let me move on with the story. So you finish breakfast, you hop in the car, and that question comes, the dreaded question comes, hey, want to check out an open house? Go for a little walk? Oh my God. The pulse starts racing. You already know that this is a bad situation. Why is it a bad situation? Because you have no idea what you're doing. All right, sure, I'd love to go to an open house, honey. Yeah, absolutely. So here you go. You pull up to the open house, you get out of the car. Everybody's getting out of the car. Everybody is happy, looks on their faces. People are holding on to clipboards, holding on to pencil paper. Seems like they're taking notes. Taking notes for what? What would you take notes about? You have no idea what this process is like. You get up to the house, you start looking around. House looks beautiful, looks great, looks fantastic. Can I afford this house? I have no idea. And oh my God, I hope the realtor doesn't see me. Please don't let the realtor look at me. Uh-oh, here comes the realtor. The realtor see me. We've made eye contact. Oh God, now I have to have a conversation. Okay, they're going to ask me questions like, do you like the house? Is the house in your price range? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Who knows what we're looking for? I have no idea. I've not been pre-approved. I'm not ready for this. I should slow down. If this is you, and this is a Sunday morning, and this is your typical experience, you need to change that. Don't put on your best Vince Vaughn. Call me. My name is Jeff Hess. I'm the owner of Blue Stripe Mortgage. Let's walk through the pre-approval process, and let's get you ready for next Sunday morning.